Crikey! Ever find yourself stuck in a rut, unable to move forward? Momentum mentoring might be just what you need. It's a unique approach to self-improvement that harnesses the power of progress to push you towards your goals. Our mentors have over 20 years of experience working with business startups. You see, momentum is a powerful force. When you're in motion, you're unstoppable. Momentum mentoring taps into this force, guiding you to build and maintain your own momentum towards success. Picture a boulder rolling down a hill. It starts slow, but as it keeps rolling, it picks up speed. That's what momentum mentoring is all about, starting small and building up speed until you're unstoppable. Remember, life isn't about standing still. It's about moving forward, gaining momentum, and reaching your goals. With momentum mentoring, you'll be rolling towards success in no time. So don't just stand there. Get moving with momentum mentoring. It's all about the journey, the momentum, the unstoppable you. Until next time, mates. All right, mates. Now that you've got a taste of what momentum mentoring can do, it's time to keep that ball rolling. We've got plenty more tips, tricks, and techniques to share, all designed to help you build and maintain your momentum towards success. But to get all that, you need to be part of our community. So how about it? Ready to keep the momentum going? Then hit that subscribe button right now. And don't forget to ring the bell so you never miss a new video. Let's keep this journey going together, mates. With momentum mentoring, we're all unstoppable. Until next time, keep moving forward.